Title: Donkey's Love, Donkey's Lessons from Laughter to Cry. Character: Donkey is a complete idiot, but there is an ocean of love in his heart. Donkey is intelligent, at first he acts, but at the end he really falls in love. Sunny path in the forest. Donkey singing, in a tuneless tone. Hey trees, listen to my song. I am looking for love. Is there anyone who will agree? If you can't, then kick me somewhere, I am a donkey. Suddenly, the donkey's eyes get big as the donkey comes in front. Donkey gasping, throat trembling. Ah, this is a heavenly dress. Is this a donkey? I thought the heroine of the movie had descended into the forest. When I saw your eyes, it felt like a bucket full of water. Ah, my chest is about to burst. Donkey laughing and jumping, sarcastically. Oh donkey brother, looking at you, it seems like you have been released from the madhouse. Have you made love to me? Have you ever seen a mirror? Donkey folding his hands, in a serious but funny tone. I saw it. Only my ears are visible in the mirror. But today I realized for the first time that these ears were actually born only to listen to you. The birds in the forest all around laughed. Donkey laughed and squealed. Love performance, all funny things. Donkey crossing his eyes. Okay, I will devise a trick to teach you a lesson. Listen, donkey, I love you. Donkey shouts, jumps on the tree. What did you say? Say it again. I love you. Aha. Pour honey in my ears. Trees, all of you are witnesses, today donkey loves me. Donkey having fun. Let's be lovers from today on. But there is a condition, you will sing to me every day. Donkey full of confidence, but the melody is out of tune. Love means song, song means love, you have entered my heart donkey. While stroking his throat, he suddenly farts, donkey laughs loudly. Donkey holding his stomach and laughing. Hey, lover, you farted while singing? What kind of romance is this? Ha ha ha. Donkey emotional despite being ashamed. What should I do, donkey? Love is like the wind, where does it stop or not, who knows? Donkey's sudden departure, donkey's madness. Donkey alone in the forest, crying. Donkey, where have you gone? Without you, my chest is like an empty pitcher. I have gone crazy looking for you. I ask the tree, I ask the wind, where is donkey? No one answers. Oh world, why are you so cruel? Throat breaking, crying emotion. Here the audience will have tears in their eyes. Seeing again the crazy emotion of the donkey. Donkey running up, shouting. Donkey, oh donkey, I came back to life after seeing you. I was dying without you. You know, I used to look at the sky every day, if I could see your face. Donkey coldly, sarcastically. Stop, stop, I didn't love you. I wanted to teach you a lesson. You really are a donkey, just believe me. Donkey falls to the ground, groaning. No donkey, I am a donkey, but I have not lied in love. Every beat of my chest is for you. If you don't love me, my life is empty. You kill me. Donkey in a harsh voice, yet trembling. Am I crazy? Will I go to jail if I kill you? If you want to die, jump off the cliff. I will stand and watch. Donkey closing his eyes, loudly. 1, 2, 3. He stops while jumping, comes back and slaps the donkey hard. Donkey shocked, shaking. What did you do? Did you slap me? Donkey eyes turned red, voice thunderous. Yes, because listen, life comes only once. Love comes again and again. How many people in history have loved, gotten married, some survived, some broke up. But they all lived, worked, gave something to the world. If I had died, I would have been selfish. My life is not just mine, this life belongs to society, to the country, to 10 people. I can give my life for 10, but I will not die to prove it to you. Love does not mean dying, love means living. Donkey trembling, tears in his eyes. Donkey, I made a mistake. I wanted to play with you. But today, after listening to you, I realized you are different from everyone else. You are truly a great lover. I really love you from now on. Donkey, tears of joy fall. Donkey, you have entered my heart. From today on, we are not just lovers, we are each other's souls. Donkey, come on, Donkey, from today our love will be true love. Not an act, a life. Conclusion, narration, Donkey's voice. If love is just crying, suicide, and acting, then it has no meaning. True love means responsibility, sacrifice, and living with the power of love. Donkey proved that with his simple heart. So in the end, Donkey also understood, love is not a celebration of death, but of life.